Common Core State Standards. Find whole number quotients and remainders with up to 4-digit dividends and 1-digit divisor, using strategies based on place value, the properties of operations, and/or the relationship between multiplication and division. Illustrate and explain the calculation by using equations, rectangular arrays, and/or area models. Hello class. Today in math, we will be learning how to do long division using the partial products method. As you can see, while using the partial products method, our bracket looks different. The right-hand side is longer than the left. We will be dividing 85 by 7. I will be adding the multiplication symbol so that you can understand that we will be multiplying more than actual dividing. The number we will multiply with will be placed on the right side of the right line. How many times does 7 go into 85? In the past, we would have said, quote, 7 goes into 8 how many times? Quote, but in reality, it's not 8, it is 85. We have to figure out how many times 7 goes into 85. We will multiply 7 times 5, giving us 35. Now we will subtract 35 from 85, giving us 50. Now, how many times does 7 go into 50? Well, we know that 7 times 6 is 42. We will also subtract 42 from 50, giving us 8. How many times does 7 go into 8? We know that 7 times 1 is 7, and we will subtract 7 from 8, giving us 1. Now that our divider is bigger than 1, 1 will be our remainder. We will then add up 5, 6, and 1, giving us the answer of 12 with a remainder of 1. Now we will try another example. We will be dividing 350 by 7. I will be adding the multiplication sign on the top of the bracket as a reminder that we are multiplying, not so much dividing. How many times does 7 go into 350? We know that 7 times 10 is 70. We will subtract 70 from 350, giving us 280. Now we have to figure out how many times does 7 go into 280. We already know that 7 times 10 is 70. We will again subtract 70 from 280, giving us 210. How many times does 7 go into 210? We will multiply 7 by 10 since we know it is 70. Then we will subtract 70 from 210, giving us 140. Now, how many times does 7 go into 140? I will multiply 7 times 10 because I know that it will give me 70. Then we will subtract 70 from 140, leaving us with 70. How many times does 7 go into 70? We know that 7 times 10 is 70. We will subtract 70 from 70, leaving us with 0. Last, we will add 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, giving us the answer of 50. That is all for today, class. Yay! I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye. Common Core State Standards. Find whole number